What's going on, guys? I'm going to do something a little bit different. We're going to take a technical analysis look on Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's currently trading at 41,400. A lot of people are concerned about what's happening with crypto. You know, we're on a little bit of a decline here. So I want to kind of map out some levels and some price action to kind of, stay aware of. So Bitcoin pretty much going sideways. We're not really doing too much. Yes, we have had a little bit of a pullback, followed by a little bit of a bounce. With that being said, Bitcoin is currently up $580 on today's session, just about a point and a half. One thing that I do kind of want to point out on Bitcoin, if you guys are trading or holding this, is a couple of things to keep in mind here. So we're starting to form up a little bit. This is a daily chart we're looking at. So each candlestick is going to represent 1 day's worth of price action. We are going sideways, and we are coiling up here. We are consolidating. We have a clear line in the floor, that line in the floor being that 39,000 to the downside. If Bitcoin starts losing the 39 and 38,000, we potentially do have room to slide. Some price targets to the downside that you might want to be looking at would maybe be 37, and then obviously down here where we have multiple touch points. And if I kind of show you guys here and here, that price is going to be, right around that 34,000. Now, keep this in mind. If something does decide to happen with cryptocurrencies and we start to lose that 35, 34,000, look out. We've got a lot of room to the downside. With that being said, I want to take a look at a couple of key moving averages that we are still under and some of that we are over. So currently we are over the 10-day moving average, as well as approaching the 20-day moving average. One line in the sand that we really need to keep in mind is this blue line here. This is a 50-day moving average. This is going to act as a strong level of support. So I can see Bitcoin pushing up into 42,000, 42 and some change, and then kind of consolidating there. So if you are looking to trade Bitcoin and you do want to kind of get a little bit out of it, and maybe you're a day trader or a scalper, you definitely have got some room higher, maybe about 700 to 1,000 points worth of room there that you guys can definitely trade on. Now we do have a declining 20-day moving average here. This for me is the granddaddy of the short-term trades, right? So short-term wise, we need to get over the 20-day moving average. That price is going to be $42,679. If Bitcoin gets over $42,000, it is going to be a straight shot back up to 48. Okay, that's going to be your macro trade. That's going to be where you're going to want to take part in a macro trade to the long side. If you're currently kind of just holding this position right now, maybe you're in anywhere between the 32 and the $35,000 range, even the $38,000 range. Definitely hold your position. There's no sense in getting out of the position right now. You kind of want to just let crypto do its thing, let Bitcoin do its thing. But definitely, if we start losing 39 and 38,000, that is going to be where you're going to want to take some profits, or you're going to want to cut a loss, just due to the fact that you do not want to be part of a slide below 38,000 back into that 32. Now, I don't think that that's going to happen. We've got the 10-day, we've got the 5-day, we've also got the 100-day moving average that are in there that are all going to act as a little bit of support. We do have the shorter term moving averages like the 5 and the 10 starting to curl around, and they're starting to take out some of the higher time frame moving averages. What we want to realistically see is these moving averages start to curl going higher, and we want to see them start stacking one on top of the other. So like I said, we do have a little bit of a short-term trade into 42,000. Over 42,000, we're looking for 42,678. Over 42,678, that's our straight shot, and that's where we're going to want to get really aggressive and be a part of Bitcoin to the long side. I hope this video helps. If you guys like cryptocurrency videos and you guys want to see me do breakdowns on more crypto, definitely comment down in the description box below. Join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below if you guys are looking for a strategy on how to trade, stocks or crypto or whatever it is, right? If it's got a chart, we can trade it. If we can put technical analysis behind these things, we can make money on these things. With that being said, I'll see you guys on the next video.